Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys password security setting. And today video title is guys how to change lock screen password in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to change your device lock screen password, you want to set new password on lock screen. So how to set new password on lock screen, one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So first of all guys, unlock your device. After unlock phone friends, open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Infinix mobile. Friends, in your Infinix mobile, open your phone security setting. After on phone security setting friends, you can use fingerprint lock setting. You can add fingerprint, you can add face lock in your Infinix mobile. So friends, open your phone screen lock setting. Use your device pattern to continue. Select your new password type, pattern, pin and password. Again friends, you want to use pattern lock, so you can change pattern, and you want to use pin lock, and you want to use password. So friends, select your password type. So friends, I will use pin password lock, and I will set here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Friends, 10 digit password I will set, and friends, remember your password, don't do any mistake. If you do mistake, you will have to reset your Infinix mobile. Remember your password. After enter password friends, you can check. Pattern lock will not show on lock screen friends. You can use 10 digit password in your Infinix mobile. Enter your 10 digit password and you can unlock your device. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 device will unlock. And friends, you have face lock. You can unlock your phone with face lock. Show your face, phone will unlock. And friends, you have fingerprint lock. Use your fingerprint, phone will unlock automatic. I have thumb fingerprint lock. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.